To start using ChatGPT with Dialog plugin, go into Edit, Project Settings, Dialog plugin, enable ChatGPT integration, and fill in your API key that you got at openai.com. Now when you go into your dialog, you'll notice an additional panel on the right. It's got the NPC's background, which would give ChatGPT some context, and you've got the NPC's disposition towards the player. Let's say it's a friendly merchant. Now create some dialog nodes which you want ChatGPT to fill with text. To let ChatGPT know you want the nodes to be filled with something, either leave them blank or write a hint inside parentheses. Let's leave them all empty for now and see what it comes up with. Select them and hit generate. The merchant greets the player, but let's say you want this node to lead up to a quest. Let's leave a hint to ChatGPT inside parentheses. Make sure to select the previous nodes, which will give ChatGPT more context to work with. And voila, you have the beginnings of a quest. If you want to learn more about the options or how to modify the plugin, make sure to check out the documentation.